Welcome to Module 5 of Mastering AI with Python. In this module, we'll delve into advanced AI projects powered by PyTorch. PyTorch is a powerful deep learning framework that has gained immense popularity in recent years. Its flexibility and ease of use make it a favorite among researchers and developers alike. In the previous modules, we covered the fundamentals of AI and machine learning. We explored various algorithms and techniques, laying a solid foundation for your AI journey. Now we'll build upon that foundation and dive into the exciting world of advanced AI applications. Get ready to unleash the full potential of PyTorch as we explore its capabilities in natural language processing, NLP, and computer vision, CV. These two domains are at the forefront of AI research, with groundbreaking advancements happening at an unprecedented pace. This module is designed for intermediate to advanced AI enthusiasts who want to take their skills to the next level. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on this exciting journey of mastering AI with PyTorch. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of AI focused on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. PyTorch provides a rich set of tools and libraries that empower developers to build sophisticated NLP applications. One of the key areas where PyTorch shines in NLP is language translation. With its dynamic computation graph and efficient tensor operations, PyTorch facilitates the development of state-of-the-art neural machine translation models. These models can accurately translate text between multiple languages, breaking down communication barriers. Another remarkable application of PyTorch in NLP is sentiment analysis. By training deep learning models on vast amounts of text data, PyTorch enables us to gauge the emotional tone or sentiment expressed in a piece of text. This has significant implications for businesses, allowing them to understand customer feedback, track brand sentiment, and make data-driven decisions. PyTorch's versatility extends to other NLP tasks, including text summarization, question answering, and chatbot development. Its intuitive API and comprehensive documentation make it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced NLP practitioners. Computer vision, or CV, empowers computers to see and interpret images, mimicking human vision. PyTorch has emerged as a game-changer in CV, enabling the development of cutting-edge applications. One of the fundamental tasks in CV is image classification, where the goal is to train models that can accurately categorize images into predefined classes. PyTorch provides the building blocks for creating highly accurate image classifiers, thanks to its support for convolutional neural networks, CNNs, a specialized type of neural network designed for image data. Object detection takes CV a step further by not only identifying objects within an image, but also locating their positions within the image. PyTorch's flexibility and support for object detection frameworks like YOLO, You Only Look Once, have led to significant advancements in this field, powering applications like self-driving cars, surveillance systems, and medical imaging. PyTorch's capabilities in CV extend to image segmentation, where the goal is to partition an image into meaningful regions, and image generation, where models can create entirely new images that resemble real-world scenes. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, are specialized neural networks designed specifically for handling image data. They excel at capturing spatial patterns and features within images, making them ideal for computer vision tasks. PyTorch provides comprehensive support for building and training CNNs. Its module offers a wide range of convolutional layers, pooling layers, and activation functions that form the building blocks of CNN architectures. The key advantage of using PyTorch for CNNs lies in its dynamic computation graph. Unlike static computation graphs used in some other frameworks, PyTorch's dynamic graph allows for greater flexibility in defining and modifying network architectures during runtime. This is crucial for experimenting with different CNN architectures and fine-tuning them for optimal performance. PyTorch's automatic differentiation capabilities further simplify the training process by automatically calculating gradients, which are essential for updating network weights during backpropagation. The applications of advanced AI projects powered by PyTorch in natural language processing and computer vision are vast and continue to expand rapidly. Let's explore some real-world examples that showcase the transformative impact of these technologies. In the realm of natural language processing, PyTorch-powered language models are being used to improve machine translation, making it easier for people from different linguistic backgrounds to communicate effectively. Sentiment analysis algorithms are helping businesses understand customer feedback, tailor their marketing campaigns, and improve customer service. In computer vision, PyTorch is driving innovation in areas such as self-driving cars, enabling vehicles to perceive their surroundings, make informed decisions, and navigate safely. Medical imaging is another field where PyTorch is making significant strides, assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier and with greater accuracy. These are just a few examples of the countless applications of PyTorch in AI. As you delve deeper into this field, you'll discover even more exciting ways in which PyTorch is shaping the future of AI. As we conclude this module, I encourage you to explore further, experiment with different PyTorch features, and build your own AI projects. The world of AI is full of possibilities, and PyTorch provides you with the tools and resources to turn your ideas into reality. If you enjoyed this study and found it valuable, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more AI content. Your support helps us create more informative and engaging content to help you on your AI journey. Thank you for joining me on this exciting exploration of advanced AI projects with PyTorch. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.